Friends, we are excited to welcome you to another fresh episode of Crypto News. Today we've gathered the hottest events that have the potential to significantly impact the market. September 2024 closed for Bitcoin with its best result since 2012, with a growth of 7.29%. October is traditionally considered so profitable for the crypto market that it's even called UPTOBER. However, on the 1st and 2nd of October, Bitcoin lost 3.5% and some altcoins dropped by 50%. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index dropped to 42, entering the fear zone. Recent geopolitical events have affected short-term investors, but when Bitcoin's price on Binance reached $60,000, more than 60% of traders went long. Nevertheless, many traders are concerned about the descending channel with a target of $52,000, and Peter Brandt talks about the continuation of the 7-month sequence of lower highs and lows. For October to meet expectations, Bitcoin needs to break through $71,000. JPMorgan analysts predict increased demand for gold and Bitcoin, especially amid rising geopolitical tensions and the upcoming U.S. elections. They say that continuous concerns about inflation growth, budget deficits, and decreasing trust in fiat currencies are also driving people toward these assets. On October 1st, the net daily outflow from American spot Bitcoin ETFs amounted to $242.5 million, a level not seen since September 3rd, and although ETFs purchased 17,491 Bitcoin in September, during the same period, miners produced only 13,500 Bitcoins. The difference is significant, and this may indicate a further shortage. Ethereum ETFs set a new record. Just 2 months after their launch, the asset value in BlackRock's spot Ethereum ETF exceeded $1 billion. This product now ranks in the top 20% of ETFs in the U.S. market. Last week, inflows into American Ethereum ETFs reached $84.5 million. Despite the market correction, interest in the crypto market continues to grow every day. For example, HBO is keeping the hype around the mystery of Satoshi Nakamoto. A documentary about the supposed creator of Bitcoin titled Money Electric: The Bitcoin Mystery will be released very soon. Director Cullen Hoback promises to reveal many secrets, but we understand that it will most likely be just another round of sensational hints without a definitive answer. The release is expected on the 8th of October, and the trailer is already available on HBO's official channel. Meanwhile, Vitalik Buterin has proposed lowering the entry threshold for staking from 32 ETH to 24, and eventually down to 1 ETH. This will make staking more accessible and help further scale the network. While Vitalik is busy improving staking, an investor from the past sold his last ETH that he bought in 2016 at a price of $6.9. For the current price of $2,668, he made a profit of $58 million, and now a story of incredible luck. One trader bought a token on the Sui blockchain for just $433, and the very next day sold it for $11,000. But the story doesn't end there. The value of those tokens has now reached $26 million. The same trader recently invested $368 in Hippo tokens, which are now worth $2 million. However, last week there was also an opposite story, this time with an investor in traditional assets. Christopher De Vocht made a fortune on Tesla options. On November 30th, 2021, the investor's portfolio peaked at $415 million. In 2022, De Vocht's fortune began to decline rapidly as Tesla shares and the entire stock market went through the sale of the century. The investor hired consultants from RBC Dominion Securities, who opened a margin account for him and provided large loans. As a result, they played a cruel joke on him, wiping out his entire investment portfolio. After losing all his capital, De Vocht filed a lawsuit against the company, claiming they should have helped him preserve his wealth by recommending risk minimization strategies. On the bright side, Binance continues to expand. The exchange received a full license in Kazakhstan, allowing it to offer trading and custodial services for cryptocurrencies and act as a broker and custodian. Exciting events are also happening in Argentina. The vice president of the country met with the president of El Salvador to discuss the issuance of volcano Bitcoin bonds. Argentine authorities are showing increasing interest in Bitcoin, and recently the Argentine regulator granted Binance a full license. Another important event on the global global stage is that a presidential candidate from Suriname announced plans to make Bitcoin legal tender in the country. This continues the global trend towards the legalization of cryptocurrencies. Major financial players are also not staying behind. BBVA, one of the largest banks in Spain, will launch its own stablecoin in 2025. Moreover, Visa has already announced its platform for tokenized assets, marking a big step forward in the development of real-world assets on the blockchain. Meanwhile, the number of players in Battle Bulls has exceeded 7.5 million in just a few months since its launch. The game is becoming truly viral, thanks to the opportunity to earn real profits. Players can exchange game euros for bull split tokens through airdrop. These tokens provide access to splitting, an innovative technology that allows you to receive daily rewards in Ultima. All you need is a smartphone and a smart wallet crypto wallet. The tokens you earn can be easily capitalized. They can be sold on the exchange, converted to fiat via a crypto card, used within the ecosystem for purchases, or refrozen in other liquidity pools to increase rewards. Ultima is a liquid, fast-growing token that is traded on leading crypto exchanges and verified on CoinMarketCap. Over the last 3 months, it has shown a growth of nearly 200%. Projections suggest further growth, with a near-term target of reaching $20,000 per coin. This goal is achievable thanks to the halving that will take place in 4 months, which will halve the daily supply of the token. If you haven't yet received Bull Split through the airdrop and started splitting, hurry up while the airdrop is still available. And now it's time to say goodbye. Stay with us to ensure you don't miss out on all the important news from the crypto world.